Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix black screen on OBS. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that this little eye icon on your display capture is not turned off. Make sure it's enabled, right? If you're trying to stream a game and you select game capture, sometimes some games do not support game capture, so what I suggest to do here is to not use game capture, or if you're using game capture, try to use display capture and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, if you're getting black screen, it's probably related to your drivers. So what I suggest to do here is to go to Device Manager, go for Display Adapters, right-click, Update Driver, and install latest drivers, right? If it's not working, then try to update driver. Let me pick, browse computer drivers, let me pick, and install latest drivers here. And look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, look if there is no updates related to OBS. Go to Help, and there is a Check for Updates button, and look if there is no updates. Still, if it's not working, then what I suggest to do here is to close OBS, open up on search, look for OBS, right click on it, open file location. Currently I cannot close OBS because I'm recording, but for you it should be simple. Then go to open file location, OBS.exe, look for properties, and then compatibility, and run as admin, apply OK, and then copy the path of the exe file, and then you need to just go to graphic settings. On graphic settings, you need to go to here and look for OBS, right? If OBS is not here on this list, what I suggest to do here is to press browse, then paste the path and add OBS.exe file, right? And then go to options and select high performance, save it, right? Next step, select here, change default graphic settings, and if you're getting black screen, turn off this option here, right? And then restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, sometimes black screen is due to other programs overlays. So for example, Discord uses an overlay, NVIDIA app uses overlay. So try to disable all the apps that is using overlay. Also, sometimes you get black screen when you use MSI Afterburner, and also try to disable all the peripherals that you have, for example, gaming controllers, racing wheels, or something like that, because also sometimes it can cause this problem. So disable them and look if the problem persists or not, but apply these changes and it should fix your problem, right? So yeah, that's basically it.